and welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we are going to be covering Booleans. So let's get started. Go ahead and open up Atom, and in Atom, in your Rex Python folder, create a new folder called Booleans. And in Booleans, create a new file called booleans.py. So Booleans are a situation where you're going to get a result back that is going to be true or false. And you can use certain things in Python to see if something is true or false. So one of those things that you can do is you can take two objects and you can say, are these two objects equal to each other, by putting in what's called an equal equal. Or you can do, are these two objects not equal to each other, and that's by doing not equal, and this exclamation point is actually the not sign. So let me show you. So let's say we have three objects here. I'll create A, I'll do it above this. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to 5. And then I will also create two more variables. We'll call them X is equal to Y, which is equal to 10. Awesome. So we have a bunch of numbers here. Now let's check and see if they're equal to each other. Well, first let's see. Is A equal to B? Well, false. And that is because A is 1 and B is 4. Is A equal to C? False. But is A plus B equal to C? True, because 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So what about A plus B plus C being equal to X? Also true, because 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10, which is also equal to 10. So you can use this equal sign to see if two objects are equal to each other in value. And so if I wanted to get the opposite of this and say, what if I want to know if A, B, and C are not equal to X? Well, I could actually just write in the word not beforehand. And I could print it like this and get false. And it would just print the opposite of whatever this result would be. Well, in Python, there's actually a shortcut to do this, and how to do it is using an exclamation point. So I could say, instead of not A plus B plus C equal X, I could simply write A plus B plus C not equal X, and I will still get false. So these are the symbols, the equal sign, the not equal sign, and the not. These come with Python, and you can use these to analyze different objects and see if they're equal to each other in value and get back true, false responses. Well, that's it for today. Congrats. I'll see you in the next video.